Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to hide and show the bookmark bar in Google Chrome using two simple methods. These tricks work on Windows, Mac, and Chromebook too. Let's get started. Method 1. Using keyboard shortcut. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. Step 2. Press these keys together. For Windows, Ctrl-Shift-B. For Mac, Command-Shift-B. That's it. The bookmark bar will instantly hide or show. You can press the same shortcut anytime to bring it back. Method 2. Using Chrome settings. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Move your mouse to Bookmarks and Lists. Click Show Bookmark Bar. If the bookmark bar is already visible, click Hide Bookmark Bar to hide it again. Very easy and useful. But wait, there is a very annoying issue with the bookmarks bar in Chrome. Even if you hide or disable the bookmarks bar, it still appears on the New Tab page. Whenever you open Chrome or create a new tab, the bookmarks bar becomes visible again. Chrome does not follow your customized settings and keeps showing the bookmarks bar on the New Tab page. There are a few tricks to fix this issue, but I don't want you to always modify the registry settings. Since this tutorial is for beginners, I will show you a different method to solve this problem. Click the three dots, go to Extensions, then click Manage Extensions. After that, click the Chrome Web Store link. Once the store page opens, go to the search section, type Infinite Dashboard, and press Enter. Now click the featured one. Keep an eye on the logo so it'll be easier to remember and set up later. Then click Add to Chrome. That's all. Now you can hide or show the bookmarks bar anytime you want in Chrome. It already includes common bookmarks that we often use. It also comes with a simple default search bar that is very handy. If you prefer, there are many other extensions available that you can use according to your preference. You can see it on the screen. I'm pressing Ctrl-Shift-B to show and hide the bookmarks bar. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.